Namaste and welcome to this 30 days meditation challenge. This is for you if you want to make meditation a daily habit, but you haven't just yet. So no matter if you have never tried meditation before or if you are a seasoned meditator, this challenge is for you. The first 2 weeks we will try a new meditation style every day, so that you can find out which meditation style is best for you. The second half of the challenge, you will have picked your favorite one, and we will do it slowly and surely, build up from 5 minutes to 30 minutes the last day, which might feel crazy right now. I find sometimes that 5 minutes can be really challenging if I've had a stressful day. So 30 minutes, I know that sounds like a big challenge, but we will take it slowly and gradually. And I know that your goal might not be to meditate for 30 minutes every day, but it will give you that boost of confidence that you can meditate for long periods of time. And I think that can really help you meditate for at least 10 minutes a day after this challenge is over. As you may know, there are so many benefits to meditation. It really is like a magical pill that if you take regularly, you will see amazing results in your life. You will get a clear head, you will stay focused during the day, which will improve your work life. Research have shown that people who meditate regularly show lower levels of anxiety, depression, and it also helps with insomnia. So if you have trouble sleeping, this will really help you to sleep better during the night. And from a spiritual perspective, meditation also helps having a clearer channel with your higher self. Okay, so this helps you take decisions from your soul rather than from your ego, which might not always have your best interest at heart. If you don't have time to spend up to 30 minutes a day, then I recommend that you wake up earlier every day, because meditation is actually just as restful as sleep. Okay, so you can afford to wake up half an hour earlier. Doing this meditation will actually help and give you rest to the same level as sleeping. So what do you need for this challenge? All you need is a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, a pillow of some sort to sit on, and just enter your email address in the link in the description, because then you will get every day a notification by email with the newest challenge. You can just click on it and get started. If you really want to keep yourself accountable and also get my course, Raise Your Frequency to Attract Your Dream Life, then post on social media that you are taking the pledge, that you're doing this 30 days meditation challenge. So just tag the Spirit Nomad and hashtag 30 days meditation. Watch every video, do every meditation, and when you're done with the meditation, just write a comment saying that you're done on YouTube. So when you're done with the challenge, just send me an email with a screenshot of your social media posts, and I will send you my course to you. Another good way of keeping yourself accountable is to bring a friend with you, right? So to do this together with a friend. So all you can do is just share this video, just press the share button and share it with a friend you think might enjoy a challenge like this. Alright, so we will do a little micro meditation today just to set an intention for this challenge. So sit wherever you are, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Now set your intention for these 30 days of meditation. What do you want to achieve these 30 days? And slowly open your eyes. Thanks so much for joining me on this challenge. It's an honor to have you here, and I can't wait to hear your stories, the transformations. It's really been life-changing for me since I started meditating 10 years ago. So I'd love to hear your stories as well. So best of luck and see you in the next video.